Welcome back mga kabalen! Ngayon po ay magluluto tayo ng tropical chicken. Halina po kayo, samahan ninyo ako. Napakasarap po nitong tropical chicken. Ito pong reseping ito ay bigay ng aking kaibigan na si Elenita Gomez. Today, I'm going to be cooking tropical chicken. And this recipe is courtesy of my friend Elenita Gomez or Lenny. Thank you, Sis Lenny, for the recipe. So what we have here is chicken breast. I think I have 5 pounds, which I'm going to be slicing them into small pieces. We have onions, half of large, and then we have garlic here, shredded carrots. We have mashed potato, which I will be cooking later. And we have mushroom. This is 10 ounces of mushrooms. And we have green peas, corn, whole kernel corn. We have cream of mushroom. And we have potato strings. These are the ingredients that I will be using aside from fish sauce and black bell pepper, bouillon cube, chicken bouillon cube. So let's start. I will be slicing the chicken. Here are the additional ingredients. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of patis, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 2 chicken bouillon cubes, 1 can of Nestle's cream, um, and we're going to be using fresh milk for the mashed potato and stick of butter. So these are the additional ingredients. Tropical chicken is very good, especially if you serve it during special occasions like christening, fiestas, or social gatherings. So this is a specialty chicken. So slice the chicken into thin slices. To cook the mashed potato, I'm just gonna follow the instructions. So it is 3 cups of water, 5 tablespoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of salt optional, and 2 and 1/4 milk. So I'm just gonna follow this instruction for the mashed potato. So I put the milk, water, and butter, and I'm going to bring it to boil. I am using salted butter, so I'm going to omit the salt. So I'll bring this into boil and wait before I put the. So I turned off the stove when I see that it's already boiling and put the mashed potato. And this is the right consistency that I like. I don't want it too dry because I'm going to spread it on top of the tropical chicken. Just keep mixing it and set it aside. In this recipe, you can use fresh potatoes also for mashed potato, but it is easier to use the one in the box. If you use fresh potatoes, you have to cook them and mash them. So we're going to heat the pan. Once the pan is already hot, we're going to put a stick of okay, and then we can put our just cook the garlic, and once it is already translucent, you can put the onions. Don't let the garlic burn, otherwise it's gonna be bitter. I can smell the garlic, so onions. Just put the onions, and when you see that the onions already translucent, we can put now, since the garlic and onions are already cooked, and we're not going to overcook the chicken since we're going to bake it anyway. Just keep mixing so that everything is incorporated. Now you can add the patis or fish sauce and then the black pepper and keep mixing it and simmer it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove the cover and then you mix. We don't want a lot of soup or water in this recipe, so we have to remove the cover. Now we're going to check the chicken if it's a little bit done, so we can put the vegetable. We'll put the mushroom and mix them, and we're going to cook them for about 1 minute before we put the next vegetable. After 1 minute, we can put the bouillon cube, including two. Put the carrots, shredded carrots. Put the corn, After 1 minute, we'll put the green peas and mix. After 1 minute, we're going to put the cream of mushroom and mix. Simmer for about a minute or two. Mix, and then we have to simmer it for a minute or two, and then we can put the Nestle cream. And now we can turn off the heat and put the Nestle cream last. But you have to taste it first before you turn it off to make sure that you have the rice, if it's not too salty for you. So we turn off the heat and I'll be putting, oops, the Nestle cream. Wow, this is so yummy. It smells good. So wait until I bake it. So everything is incorporated, and I will prepare the baking pan. So you have to preheat your oven first before you bake. So this is going to be 350 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 15 to 30 minutes. This is so yummy. So we have to prepare the pan. Now we transfer it to the pan. We're going to bake it. So we transferred everything to the pan to prepare it for baking. We're going to be putting mashed potato on top. So I spread the mashed potato on top, and now this is ready to bake, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I have preheated the oven for 15 minutes. After 20 minutes of baking, this is how it looks. Now I'm going to put the toppings on top. This is the finished product. Yay, yummy!